Y'all having a good time at a gas station or what? Come on. The world's greatest gas station right here in Everglades City. As you guys know, I'm on world tour right now. My name's Gator. I'm on tour. We are heading to every single gas station that sells live bait and has their own brand name beer. And a local celebrity like Jimmy Senior. Oh, yeah, there's Junior here, too. We got Junior in the house, too. All right. Yeah, it's good for y'all to be here. I appreciate y'all for coming. Thank you so much. And I know Jimmy does, too. We got Chuckaluski in the house via Havana. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll tell you what. You come... You know, when people think of Everglades City, they don't think of it being a culinary hotspot, but it really is. I mean, it really is. So, you know, I'm making myself hungry. These guys are out here eating hole-in-the-wall pizza. I'm standing right in front of Everglades Fishing Company, and I got my buddies from Havana Cafe here. So I'm having a hard time singing with my mouth watered. So anyway, it's so good to be here. I'm not announcing that. I'm not announcing the after party. That ruins the whole point of the after party. You gotta know somebody on the houseboat. Hey, Jimmy, I think we might be able to fit all these folks on the houseboat. What do you think? He said, watch me. All right. It's Coast Guard rated for a certain number, and we can fit a certain number more on there. That's just the fact. Anyway, we're gonna do a fishing song, the damn old fishing song. This song off my album, The Only Child Family Band. It goes a little something like this. Give me my harmonica. I don't want anybody to leave tonight until they got them a cold 6-pack of Everglades Fishing Company ale. Make sure you get a couple of them socks in there too. I tell you what, them socks, Jimmy, aren't them socks guaranteed to catch you more fish? What is it, 10, 15%, 20% more fish? 20% more fish guaranteed. They always say, Gator Nate, what is the secret to catching all those big fish? And I just lift up my pant leg and show them a pair of Everglades Fishing Company socks. But the truth is, man, I tell you what, I love them boots, but I'm gonna need to get me some a little bit higher. If these hurricanes keep coming, I'm gonna have to get me some knee highs or something, man. It just ain't cutting it. We need some waders. A song about fishing, which is my favorite thing to do. Well, out past the pass, past the sunken ship, off the shelf of the southern tip. Long gone flipped across that bar. There ain't no roads and ain't no cars. I'm gonna get me a hook. I'm gonna zip my lips. Cause I've done enough singing tonight, it's about time to fish, sonny. Got me a date and I can't be late. With a big old tarpon down the Florida Bay. Plane that dinghy to get on the tape. Came here to fly, don't need no bait. I'm gonna get me a hook. Zip my lip. We got plenty of it. I've done enough talking. It's about time to fish. Well, let's ride out the pass. Past you and all them lookers. Don't you wish that you could fish like these here hookers? Sandy bottoms, mango living long. Go on and listen to my damn old fishing song. Give me a little reverb on that, man. I lost my voice yelling at fish last night. Started with a shark and a carp and a rainbow trout. Hope a big mouth bass could shut his mouth. You could tuna fish till it gets the size of a whale. Redfish, bluegill, yellowtail, seaweed, sushi, mackerel, snail. Saw a grunt's reflection on the barracuda scale. Mangrove snapper in a grouper hole. I saw a kingfish squirming on a lure's bowl. But oh no, it's a blowfish. Skipping a line, brought him back to bust him with my switchblade knife. Now I guess I ought to give him some slack. Therefore, fish on amberjack. Gonna get me a hook and zip my lip. I've done enough one-man band and it's about time to fish. Well, let's ride out the pass, past you and all them lookers. Don't you wish that you could fish like these here hookers? Oyster bottoms and mangrove living long. Go on and listen to my damn old fishing song. How do you do it? I guess you gotta know where to go. Whenever I'm going, I'm always starting at the most important place there. The bait spot. I'm gonna come down here and get some good old, big old fat shrimp from Jimmy. Some of them big old Everglades pinfish. A couple of bait crabs. I heard there might be some weather out there, so I'm gonna have to give me one of them real nice rain suits, Everglades Fishing Company style. I ain't all the truth. Sometimes I exaggerate a little bit. Well, I caught me a big because I give him some time. I got a snook at the hook at the end of my line. Tip, jack, tip, snapping at the snook line. Heading for the dock, gonna make up some lies. I ought to get a hook and zip my lip. Well, I've done enough talking, it's about time to fish. Fish on! Well, let's ride out the path, past you and all them lookers. Don't you wish that you could fish like these here hookers? Some oyster bottoms, mangrove living long. Well, go on and listen to my damn old fishing song. Cast till I crash down a hooligan's pass. Falling down a calling tree to see if my last day was hiding and riding the Cumberland Key. Trying to see if that reef is as good as it seems. I ought to get a hook and zip my lip. Well, I've done enough talking. It's about time to fish. Well, let's ride out the path, past you and all them lookers. Don't you wish that you could fish like these here hookers? Oyster bottom, mangrove living long. So go on and listen to my damn old fishing song. We ain't quite sure where the ping pong table went. I got a couple posters up on a few streets down there in Cuba. One or two down in Key West. That thing was floating good though. And when I seen it, I seen one of them big old triple tails hanging on right next to it. Well, let's ride out the path, past you and all them lookers. Ooh, don't you wish that you could fish like these here hookers? Sandy bottom, mangrove living long. Go on and listen to my damn old fishing song. I said go on and listen to my damn old fishing. Oh, my damn old fishing song. had to do it. I had to do it. Hey, Kim, I'll just stuff it in the bass drum, keep it warm.